cough isn't always just a cough. Let's dive into 5 important types of cough to be aware of. Non-productive cough caused by asthma, allergies, or irritants. A mucousy cough pointing to infections such as bronchitis or pneumonia. A barking cough from inflamed vocal cords, usually seen in kids under 5 with viral infection. A contagious bacterial infection that causes prolonged and intense coughing fits, and this can be very serious in your little ones. A nighttime cough may signal asthma, allergies, or respiratory issues. Remember, early detection is key. If you notice persistent or unusual coughing, reach out to your pediatrician for a checkup. When it comes to our child's health, it's better to be safe than sorry.